So you're trying to tell me that you won 4 out of 5 games yesterday?
Yeah, that's exactly what I just said.
That didn't happen though.
Okay, do you want me to prove it?
Yeah, prove it to me. Let's play right now.
Let's go.
Fight!
Pause. Gotta drain the main vein. Reach back 2 seconds. Right, you ready?
Yeah, right time.
3, 2, 1, go.
Fight!
I'm about to win for the first time.
For the first time.
And now for the combo. Wait, what?
Oh, I guess it's a draw. Sorry, mate. Guess I'm still on a winning streak, eh? Still is next time.
Fight!